Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your PC has a working Wi-Fi adapter and up-to-date drivers, and that your internet source is connected. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet. Choose Mobile Hotspot or Hotspot settings. You set a clear SSID and a strong password now so devices can join without delay. Make sure the sharing source is correct: Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or a USB cellular modem, because that selection routes the traffic. Next, you configure the hotspot details and security. Turn mobile hotspot on, then pick the internet source and check the network band. 4 GHz for range and older devices, 5 GHz for speed and less interference. Once chosen, enable WPA2/WPA3 encryption and change the default password. This prevents casual access. You can also limit the number of allowed devices and set a data or time cap to avoid unexpected use. Finally, connect a device and verify it gets internet. Open a web page or run a quick speed check. Make sure signal strength is adequate. If not, reposition the PC or adjust the band. Monitor connected clients and drop inactive ones to preserve bandwidth. If something goes wrong, try restarting the mobile hotspot service, update Wi-Fi drivers, or disable power-saving features on the adapter. These steps usually fix common issues. If the problem persists, reboot the PC and recheck source sharing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.